every school needs so much paperwork. So what I would do is just, they give you a checklist, get everything you need, make copies of it because every school is going to need it. It's the first one's the hardest one. Then the next part is once you get past that, you start writing. To get in, they ask you to write an essay. Why should you come to whatever school it is? And you can just tear apart that prompt and definitely get someone to help you with it, but that becomes your outline. That prompt is your outline.
And so some of the resources I plugged into during the application process were using, well, I used the VA a lot. I definitely went to the VA and asked all the questions I could possibly think of. When we separate and we go through TAPS, I'm not sure if they changed the name to that already, but when you separate and you go through TAPS, I went in prepared with questions, asking how I could use whatever benefit they were teaching us or demonstrating that maybe we didn't know before, how I could apply it to whatever school I had already applied to or had intentions of applying to. TAPS was for sure one. My upper chain of command, and when I say upper chain of command, I mean like highest ranking enlisted person at my command. I spoke to him a lot, very candidly, about my separation from the Navy and my goals, and just having that soundboard to bounce off ideas was really helpful for me.
The single most important thing that I would say to a veteran is make sure that you keep track of your application during the entire process. Don't just submit all the paperwork and assume that it's taken care of, because that's what I did, and then it almost tripped me up. If I hadn't called and said, hey, what's going on with my application, it probably would have fallen through the cracks, and I wouldn't have gotten in because somebody sent a transcript to the wrong place. Nothing that I did wrong, nothing necessarily that anybody did wrong, because they did send it to the college that I told them to. It just went to the wrong place. And so, you know, I would say to everybody, just keep track of it. Don't assume that everything's going to be okay just because you've turned in. You know, when you hit that submit button, you go, whew, wow, okay, that's done. Yeah, maybe not.